Hey, Flux here, and today we'll be talking about the Resonite Unity SDK. Now, one big note about the Unity SDK is that it's still actively in development. We are still actively working on it. It is currently in beta. Now, first things first, when using it, you have to go into Resonite to the Session tab, and then in Settings at the left bottom, there is Enable Resonite link, which I've already done, which will then open a WebSocket connection on a specific port. Then we'll have to hop over to Unity. So in Unity, you'll then have to first obviously import Resonite SDK. And once you've done this, you can click Open Resonite SDK Manager, which will be this little window over here, where you then see that it auto detects your session. You just click that to connect to it. Ideally, uncheck Convert Skybox, because otherwise it'll bring the Unity Skybox over. And if you haven't modified the Unity Skybox, you probably don't want that. Next, we'll need to open the Avatar Setup Wizard, which I actually made. Then you drag and drop the root of your avatar into this little root game object slot here. And technically speaking, this is all you need to do. You can just hit Setup Avatar, make sure that the viewpoint is positioned nicely. Go. And then we can literally just go ahead and click Send Current Scene, and it would just send that scene to Resonite. And with that, also this avatar is a properly set up avatar. However, we can also set up some extra stuff like optional references, like the feet and the hips. And if you click Set up Avatar again here, it'll position a hips reference and the feet references. All of these references can be found in this little references slot over here. Now, once you have your avatar set up in Unity the way you like, all you have to do is simply go to the Resonite SDK tab again, and then hit Send Current Scene, which will send it over to Resonite with materials converted for Resonite, as well as the textures and the mesh. You can also see those conversions in the Unity asset slot that will be created. And if you hop over into Resonite, you can see we now actually have our avatar in here. And he's already fully set up as an avatar. So if I grab him, you can see the legs move. And if I dequip the tool, I can just equip avatar. But yeah, that's the Unity SDK.